What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Bunny Tail horror, whatever. So, warning: this game caution of flashing, jump scares, blah blah blah, and loud noises. I don't care. So, we're gonna be playing this horror game. I might played it thousands of times, but I want to show y'all guys. So we're gonna show y'all. All right, let's start it. Underage. I don't care about underage. What the? Okay. Well, actually, I lied. This is the first time I played this game. I lied. What is this? What is going on? Greetings. We have all been only waiting for you. See every time. Oh my god, what the? Did y'all see that? Blah 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 blah. Half cents, please be on your way now. So, King Bunny. Yeah, I didn't see that. How do I zoom out? Wait, what? Oh. Did you do it? Where are you looking at? Looking at you, Dumbo. So what do I do? I probably should read the instructions. Hi, bunny. I lost my toy bunny. Okay, Alex. I lost my toy bunny. And okay. Okay, since you are little, I'm gonna bring it to you. So yeah, since he is little, I'm gonna bring it to him. This is it? And yeah, I know. Thank you so much. Yeah. What the heck is that sound? What's your name? Harry? Please help my house. Okay. Put me down inside. Please find why it is happening, please, and stop it. I know what he said. I read it. Maybe we jump up here. Oh yeah, I know what to do. I've seen a YouTube tutorial. Help me! How do I get out? Simple. Okay, my cousin actually showed me this game, but I haven't played it. I don't know how to play it. She only showed me how to play this part. I just wanna be part of yours, yeah. Technical difficulties. I suck at parkour. What is my guy doing over there on the roof? Okay, walk patiently. Walk. Someone has to go up there. So I did that for nothing. Okay, I made it up here. What's that door? What the heck? actually saw that. I don't know what I saw. Okay, now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. Okay, let's go. I'm making a stew and I need 5 carrots, but the shop is too expensive at the shop. Could you please find 5 carrots to give them to me? Yeah, okay. Is this a carrot? What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, you are in the forest. You do not see thousands of carrots. No, you're blind. Yeah, I know. You could have got them yourself now. I mean, it's so expensive. Here you go. Here, take it, lady. What do I do? Oh, thank you so much. Did you see that? There was just a bunny. Whatever. What is you, Joe? Joe Bob? Joe Mama? My plants won't grow. That's because you need to water them, Dumbo. Probably because all of them trees are in the way. I don't know why I didn't water them, but I don't think that's important. You don't think watering your plants is important? I think I could try. I think I left my water can in the park. Using for a yoga club. You help me get it. Okay, Bob. Haha, I stepped in your soup. Let's look at the water. Oh, it's right there. Key. You found it. Well worked. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go this way. Why does no one buy my stuff? Maybe because you need to ask him and you need to put posters up, I think. Oh, hello, how are you? Here to help me? Please help me hang through. Bro, you have legs and arms. They're little, but they work. Fine. Could have done that yourself. They're your posters. Freaking bunny. Dumbo bunny. the shakes. More carrot free, carrot soup free, free. Carrot cake, $1. Carrots, 1,001. Why are you up there? Help! I was climbing up here and for fun, but I just let her bring me down. Why do I always do everything? Move, bunny! I'll go up here if I see you. Are you kidding me? Go up there. Chat, if you have seen the letters, please let me know where are they. I'm blind. Touche. Oh, there it is. Here, my guy, get down. Thank you so much. I'll put it down. Thanks so much. I'll put it down. Bye. What do you want? My house is sick. How does your house get sick? You don't have enough time enough money to buy carrot cake. That's what makes it feel better. Oh my god! Bro, a carrot cake is only get these? What do I do? Chat, do you know what to do? Do I pick that? Pick it up! Oh, I need a computer to play this game. Do it. Please tell me if you got the carrot cake. Bro, what do I do? What do I do, you guys? Bruh. Click. Bruh. Oh god, sorry you guys. Where the heck am I gonna get a carrot cake? Your house is fine. It's not. Bunny carrot. Bunny, my carrot is. That's what you're supposed to do. Here, dump it. Got it. Okay, blah blah blah. Can I go now? just need one more person. Who's May? Oh, that person. Matt. I mean Matt. Heck no, I'm not going in there. Honey. No, I'm not going in there, honey. Where are your dang glasses at? How am I supposed to get up this dang maze? I found it. What the? Chad, did y'all just witness that? What the heck? I'm never going back in there. Here, take your stick. Bro, I was about to say soup. I thought I was giving the other lady soup. Well, you didn't. Please meet me at the... Okay. Congratulations, you have saved the town. Unfortunately, you won't be leaving. What? Isn't it a shame? It's a shame. You know what? The truth behind this city. This town. What happened to the music? Your curse has cursed you. Tonight? What? What the heck? What is going on? That was really disturbing. What the heck? I'm literally shaking right now. Alright, you guys. It's me, Georgie. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really hope that you enjoyed this. So if you have any questions to ask me while I'm playing, well, in the comments, please tell me now because I'm gonna miss you. So make sure to like and subscribe. HOTTOG. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe because I'm trying to film my brother's dream of having a play button, and I would really appreciate that if you have subscribed. Thank you guys. So bye guys. I'm ending it. Okay.